In this video, we aim to set up the delivery service. Our goal is to test the scenario where we deliver an available potion. For this to work, the storage's check available method must return true. Additionally, the storage's take method should return an instance that is assignable to iPotion. Although the delivery service uses 5 services provided by the constructor, we are only concerned with the storage in our context. To set up our arrange block, we can open the TWIZZAR UI either by clicking on the arrow or using a customizable key shortcut. In the UI, we can view the constructor and its 5 parameters. We can now simply access the storage and configure the 2 methods. First, we set check available to true. Next, we configure the take method to return an iPotion. TWIZZAR will automatically create a stub of the iPotion type for us. That's it. Now we can proceed to debug the test. Upon inspection, we observe that the check available method indeed returns true. Additionally, the take method provides us with an iPotion instance. The TWIZZAR UI simplifies the setup of complex dependency structures, eliminating the need for extensive boilerplate code.